Hiya folks, right, this is the second part of the Yo e-liquid review, which taken a couple of weeks to do because I've been a bit busy. But yeah, I've got 3 more bottles of Yo e-liquid. We've got strawberry milk, mixed berries, and Pinkman. But these are Shortfill bottles. And basically it's a 50ml bottle of 0mg e-liquid, and you buy a next shot, or you get a next shot with it. I think it's about £12.50 with the next shot. So once you've put your 10ml juice into here, you get 60ml at 3mg. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little explanation of what a Shortfill is and how to fill it up. Just a quick, this is what you do. Because most people are used to, I've watched people go into vape shops and it's a Hang Seng or the Decang or whatever they buy, but it's 5 bottles, 10ml, and that's what people are used to buying. And many people don't buy the Shortfill now that you get. Post TPD, you can only get your nicotine juice in 10ml bottles, but with the Shortfill, you're getting 50ml or whatever. Some companies are doing 100ml, and then you get your next shots and just top them up with the nicotine. So you basically, your 10ml nicotine juice is in this, and you top it up. But yeah, quick explanation, and we'll come back to the review. Right, for those people that don't know, I mean, people are probably used to getting their 10ml bottles of e-liquid at the shops, and you've got your 3, 6, 9, 12, whatever nicotine levels. When you buy these Shortfill bottles, this is Yo mixed berries, 50ml, but it's 0 nicotine, okay? 0mg of nicotine. So it's a next shot ready. Now this is a next shot. So 10ml of this into here takes it up to 60ml, but that takes it up to 3mg nicotine. So 1 10ml into here, 60ml of juice, and you've got 3mg of mixed berries Yo. So let's just thought I'd explain a bit what Shortfill actually is. So you crack the bottle open. Try and take the top off. With great difficulty. There we go, pop. Finally popped off. So we've taken the top off, and as you can see, try and get that close to the camera, there's actually space in the Shortfill bottle. So we want 3mg, or I want 3mg of nicotine. So we'll crack open our big shot. This product contains nicotine. In fact, there should be instructions on this. Yeah, if you look at the, oops, a bit close to the camera, sorry. If you peel back the label, it actually gives you all the instructions and what to do and how to fill up your Shortfill bottle, being this one. Right, so what I like to do is crack open the nicotine. Right, so nicotine open, and I take the top off. I actually take the top off my nicotine. Take this off as well, because you don't want this going in your Shortfill bottle. Actually, that's not going to come off. Right. So I just take the top off, this top off, and then straight in like so. And that empties straight into the Shortfill bottle. There we go. Pop our top back on. That's it. Screw it down. And we now have a 3mg bottle of 60ml of mixed berries from Yo. So that's just a little bit of explanation of what Shortfill is. Right, there you go. So back to the review. Okay, that was a little explanation of Shortfills and how to fill it up. let's move on to the review. Yeah. So first one we're going to try is Pinkman. This is a 70 VG, 30 PG. I mean, that Pinkman flavour's been out for a long, long time. Heisenberg Pinkman. And yeah, I do enjoy a nice Pinkman juice. Don't know why I'm smelling the cotton because there's nothing on it. I'm using the Torin again, the 21700 mech mod with the goon, the original goon on top. Actually, I don't know what 1.5 is. Yeah. Right. Yeah, it's Pinkman. That beautiful grapefruit, orange, lemons. Very nice. Very nice. Now that I'm putting it onto the cotton, the smell of the grapefruit's really strong. And actually, I mean, I do like Pinkman e-liquid. I do like Pinkman e-liquid. What is wrong with my tongue? Mouth's not working tonight. Not working at all. Pass. Ooh, oh, that's really sharp. Whoa, sharp grapefruit. What I was saying is I don't actually like grapefruits. I hate grapefruits. But something like Lil, grapefruit and pineapple, I love it. Pinkman, I love it. Opal fruits, or what they call now, Starburst. I love that grapefruit taste. That processed grapefruit taste, I suppose. But actual fresh grapefruits, nah, don't like them. I never have liked them. That's a really sharp Pinkman. Grapefruit catches you right in the tongue, and then you get the sweetness of the orange and the sort of bitter lemon hitting the back of the palate. That is a really nice Pinkman. Really nice Pinkman. Oh yeah. I love these bottles as well. I love that design. Focus into that. I love that. Nothing too fancy. It's not too gimmicky. I like that. They're nice bottles. Yo! Mixed fruit flavouring e-liquid. Oh. That is a really, really nice Pinkman. In fact, I've only got half a bottle left. Because I've basically killed most of this in my Wotofel Flow last week. And I did speak to UK USA and basically said, this is the best Pinkman e-liquid I have ever tasted. Yeah. So that taste test was a bit of a con because I've actually used half this bottle. And it is fantastic. It is really, really nice. And the grapefruit is so strong. That's what I like about it. It's got that real... If you remember Opal Fruits, Fruit Burst, what are they called? Starbursts? Whatever they're called now. But as soon as you bit into that chew, into that Opal Fruit, the grapefruit ones, you used to get that real... You used to make your mouth water. Yeah. Opal Fruits made to make your mouth water. But you get exactly the same from Yo E-Liquid's Pinkman. As soon as you take that first inhale, your mouth just, oh, it is absolutely stunning. Fantastic. Really like it. Okay then, next juice. Right, the next juice we're going to move on to is mixed berries. Try and focus into that. Come on. There we go. Mixed berries. This is the one I used in the Shortfill video. So I've literally just opened this. What I didn't show you in the Shortfill video, because I didn't have the space in front of the camera, is once you've put that next shot in, you've really got to shake that bottle up. Really give it a good shake. Ideally, I like to leave my bottles overnight, 24 hours. Some people just put the next shot in, shake it and vape it straight away. But I do like to sort of leave it overnight. But this, literally, I shot that video 20 minutes ago. So, we'll see what it's like. Oh wow. Really strong blackcurrant flavour coming from that. The scent Strong blackcurrant. Get it dripped up. This is mixed, it's mixed berries. Yeah, mixed berries. Ooh. Mm. Oh, wow. First we had the Pinkman, which was fantastic. Now the mixed berries. That's a really strong flavour. I'm getting black currants, I'm getting raspberries. There's almost a blueberry. It's like a sharp, citrusy tang that you would get with blueberries and red currants. Yeah, like a, not cran, I don't know if there's cranberries in it, but it has got that. It's got that beautiful sweetness of the black currants and the strawberry, or the raspberries that I'm getting. No, I can't taste strawberry, but I'm getting black currant, raspberries, and it's like a citric tang, almost like a blueberry red currant sort of. That's really tasty. That is really nice. Num num. Wow, so the Pinkman and the black, the mixed berries. That's nice, that's very nice. Okay then, we'll move on to the last one of the three. Right, we're going to move on to the last e-liquid. We have strawberry milk. Yeah, strawberry milk. Now, I do like strawberry milk flavoured e-liquids. I've done previous e-liquid tasting videos, and strawberry milk always came out top for me. It was always a favourite. So, it'll be interesting to try this one. Sticky top. Oh, really, strawberries, really nice. That's just drip it up. There we go. I don't know whether there's something wrong with enjoying warm strawberry milk, because I like a hot vape. I do enjoy a hot vape. I mean, that's 0.14 build that's in my goon, and that is, it's quite warm. But that's just like a bottle of Yazoo. It's got that strong strawberry taste, that strawberry flavouring that you get with the Yazoo. I mean, I couldn't compare it to something like a McDonald's milkshake, because it's got a stronger strawberry flavour, and it is a beautiful strawberry milk. That's nice. Oh wow, that is awesome. That is really, really nice. Really, really liking that strawberry milk. Wow. I'm really glad that Yo sent me the large Shortfill flavours and ones that are really nice, really nice. So the first one I did was Pinkman. I do love this Pinkman, and I as I said to UK USA, it is, in my opinion, it's the best Pinkman e-liquid juice I've tasted so far. It is fantastic, really, really tasty. The mixed berries, I'm really surprised by that. That is really, really nice. Beautiful with the black currant and the raspberries. And then you're getting that, as I said, that citric sort of blueberry and red currant flavour coming through as well. Very sort of summery. Beautiful for the summer, this. Fantastic. And last we have strawberry milk. And it tastes just like strawberry milk. The only way to describe it. It's perfect, just like a bottle of Yazoo. It's really, really nice. So that's the three bottles, or the three Shortfill bottles from Yo E-Liquids. And I have to say, those three were fantastic. Really, really tasty, really nice. And I hope you found this video useful. I hope you found the little description of how to use a Shortfill, how to put the nicotine shot in useful as well. And thank you very much. Just thank you for watching, and I will catch you all again soon. Cheers for now. Bye.